Alright, the laboratory. I'm still getting concerned for the baby's mom. Wonder if she made it out alive. Oh, hey! You ready for us? Oh, hey! Look at you! Whee! Oh, you just need someone to... Oh, I just need you. And then just... open it up! Come on! Ooh! Take a look around. Ooh! Ingredient mixing. Ooh.
December 1st, log 160. So, the gyrosphere and the world door above the alchemy room remain the last bastion between our reality and that of the unspeakable one. Should I be driven mad and forget my duties, highly...
Alright?
Never open the door, and never allow the gyrosphere to stop spinning. If the rings ever so much as waver, it will find you. Log it.
Oh. I see. Inspect you. Oh! Oh, you little critter! Ah! Huh. How does it regain power? Huh. Add region to Val. Oh, there's already one here. Make a potion. Which one do I make? This one. This is getting increasingly weird, but yet increasingly a lot more cooler. And then the blue one. Because there's none for here. Because it requires a regen. Ooh. Brew coxygen. I think that's what it said. I don't know. I'm not the best with words at the moment. I need a bottle. Wait. Why is the bottle a baby bottle? You know what? I'm not gonna be the one to judge. What? What? Oh, the waiver. It's not supposed to be like that. What? No. No, get away, get away. Get away. Is it gone? Is it away from the universe? Feed the baby, okay. Oh, what? Wait, what? Oh, the cat! Wait, wasn't there something here? A key! It's to open this one? Search the kitchen. Turn on the handle. It's a jack in the box, I believe. Ooh! They could come. Huh? Then, where's the baby at? You're right here. There's baby. Oh, whoa! You look unappetizingly creepy. I don't really like that. Oh, a bowl for a cannon. Search the kitchen. There's the oven. And there's the default. You know what? Screw it. If this is the one I prefer because yeah, you were too creepy. Too creepy. Do not drink. Who cares? Let's see what this caution does. Oh! Oh no! 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 Ugh! Ugh! God. Oh, I'm recording.
April 4th, log 566. Right, the flower specimen 32C brought back from Carcosa shows promise and could just be the reagent I've been searching for. The trick was finding a method to administer it to the child without getting too close. Luckily, his babysitters have no problem feeding him countless bottles of mysterious liquid. These experiments may be the key to our salvation. Look in.
Oh. So these cautions were actually... Wait. The cautions were... They were made for... To see with the baby and stuff. Wow. I'm impressed. Oh! Another one!
July 28th, log 985. Half the building's ceiling caved in last night. The worst part isn't even the fear of being crushed. The worst part is that the bathroom was in that half. Look at.
Oh. Okay, now that's bad. So how are you supposed to... So how are you supposed to even... Oh, that is the worst thing I can ever... God. God, why the bathroom? Well, I mean, I can cook the turkey. Attach the handle. Who do I need as specimen? I need no, not a specimen. I need someone. Retrieve the key. I think I know just what to do. Get this. Fill the caution. Get that. Get the baby over there. And then you got it. See? I knew it. I just knew that had to be the right thing. Follow the black cat. It needs power. I need to stop recording here, but I might go back